Hi, my name is Kunal Raj, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate web technology lab exercise number 7. So the aim of the experiment is PHP super global variable. So we have to design a multi-page shopping cart in which first of all we will have the structure like this. So here we will have two checkboxes inside a container of image, and then we will have some clothing item, and then quantity, size and color, and some attributes. Then if we click next, it will be prompted to fill out shipping information. So after filling shipping information, where you will have your address and everything, a confirmation page will be shown, and then a confirm order we have to place using the confirm order button. So in this we have to use session super global variable, and you post and get super global variable for getting information from the form. So first of all, this is the page that I have prepared. Now here clothing type I have created shirt, then I have given some price, then I have pant, then I have clothing size, so I have created small, medium and large. Then I have quantity where minimum number is 0, and then I have color where I have provided a selector using 3 values, blue, black and white. Then I have type, whether clothing type, so silk, cotton or synthetic. Now first of all I will give shirt and then check it. Then clothing size I will give medium, quantity let's say I will give 3, color I will give black, and type I will give cotton. Then if I click next, here shipping information form will be opened. So we have to fill our shipping information. So suppose name I give ABC, last name I give XYZ, street name something, Karunya, then Nagar, city I give Coimbatore, then zip code, phone number, some phone number, then email address. Then we have 2 radio buttons to choose the type of delivery, that is express or standard. I will click standard, then I will click continue. Once I click continue, everything that I have filled up in the previous forms, previous 2 pages will be shown, and the summary of my order will be shown using this table. So I have ordered a shirt, material type is cotton, size is medium, quantity 3, and total amount is shown here, and my address and details will be shown here. So let us now see the code part. So the first page here, so the first page consists of 2 check boxes with a container, with the image container which is shown here, and I have created checkbox and I named it using the name is a type array, where I'll choose, if the customer chooses both shirt and pant, then it will be stored in both these values. Now the next part is next is a clothing size, where 3 radio buttons are there. So here I have size, as 3 radio buttons named radio, and then I have color, where I have 3 selector values, so a drop down menu will come for color. And then for quantity I have minimum 0 value, and the input type is number. For same like color, I have here the type material, where I have given again a select tag, and then a selector will come, drop down list. Now I have included all this in a form. So here is the form tag, and then I am giving action as page2.php, and I am using method as post. So in page 2, first of all, page 2, here is enter your shipping information. So first part is my HTML part, and the next part is some PHP part. So in HTML part I will take all the information, user shipping information like first name, last name, street address, everything. Then here state, again I will use drop down menu using select tag, and then I am using form method as post and action as page3.php. so all this information will be redirected to page 3. Then inside PHP code, if the form is submitted, then I am retrieving the values which is stored in type, which is either shirt or pant, and I am storing in session using a type array, and then I am storing whatever values are there, I will store in this session. Then I'm retrieving quantity, and then radio for the size of the clothing, then color and the type of the clothing. All this I will retrieve using post super global variable, and I'll store it using session super global variable. So this session will last until the browser is closed, and this will retrieve in the server. Now in page3.php, whatever I have created in page 1 and page 2 will be displayed in page3.php. So for displaying, I'll just display name, address, and all the things using post that I have retrieved from page 2 form. Then the next thing is to display the order details. So I'll use table to display in a very systematic order. So I'll use item, material, type, everything I'll write one by one. Then I'll use session that I've stored in the last PHP, page2.php. I've stored some values using session. I'll retrieve all those values using session super global variable one by one in a table. So at last I'll just close using HTML. All these are HTML inside a PHP. So I've used a PHP code inside a HTML code. So this is my experiment number 7. Thank you for watching.